Hey, how are you? Are you over 60? I am 60 and I am loving life right now. But are you around 60, over 60, under 60, and feel overwhelmed because you can't find the way to feel healthy, feel that you can, enjoy your life again? Maybe you gain a lot of weight, your energy just went down the drain because let's be real. Age is going to interfere in your metabolism, hormone balance, and a plethora of reasons why probably if you don't look after those issues, your health is going to decline. But that doesn't necessarily has to be your reality. So in this video, I want to discuss with you what do I eat and how can we tweak the diet so you don't feel restricted, you can feel better about ingesting certain plant foods that are extremely low on oxalates, and perhaps it's going to give you a good peace of mind. The thing about the carnivore diet is that there is a lot of chatter regarding how unhealthy it is, that is not good, and most people are going to judge you over eating only beef. But that is not the only anti-inflammatory way of eating. There are vegetables such bok choy, avocados, that they are really not bad for you because they have like a 1 milligram of oxalates per 100 grams. So watercress, maybe garlic, you can add garlic to your food to give it flavor because that is a super food when it comes to anti-inflammatory protocols. And that way you feel that you can add some vegetable matter into your carnivore food. Another thing is that variety is fundamental. You can rotate, you can have seafood, which is fundamental because you need to balance all the vitamins and minerals. We're going to talk about minerals because I am trying a new product that I hope I can promote in this channel, which is PLUCK, PLUCK, which is dry freeze organ meats made into a powder with spices and salt. Is a powerhouse like I have never seen in the form of salt, and you have different flavors, and that is fundamental on this diet. Let's admit that eating organs is not easy. I learned how to cook organs back in Argentina growing up, but it was made with flour and eggs, deep fried, different ways to kind of, just cover the flavors. But so if you get the PLUCK powder, you get, I'm gonna write it down in the description, the amount of minerals and vitamins that PLUCK has. So with this being said, I'm not sponsored and I'm just saying it because I love it. So don't be dogmatic. Regarding the vegetables, have the avocado, have the olive oil. Those are rich in polyphenols that is undeniably positive for your health and is not going to get, neither of those are going to cause inflammation. Variety, you can have salmon, trout, chicken, shrimp, lobster, name it. Search the ones that are the best fat-wise. The ones that has the most fat are always the better. And remember that lean protein is not gonna help you. Lean protein is not good for you. You need the protein with a lot of fat, good fat. Keep in mind as well that even though you don't necessarily have to eat grass-fed or non-farm salmon, like everything, the more natural the better, uh, because like the reason is that the omega-6, omega-3 are not as good. In the grass-fed beef, for example, you get more omega-3. Even though beef is not the best source, please do not get plant-based omega-3s because they cannot be absorbed. Yes, you get, it's true. Well, this much omega-3 from flaxseeds, but it's not bioavailable. So just do a little research on the omega-3s, like fish. That is the way to go. So I'm sorry if I'm trying to give so much information, but these are PLUCK information for us that help us to understand that we can get the right nutrition with the right vegetables and the right beef and the right chicken. Again, look at for like omega-3. Omega-3s are good anti-inflammatory, but omega-6 are inflammatory. So regular beef, because it's grain-fed, has a higher amount of omega-6. You don't want that. You want the grass-fed because it has less omega-3. But with this being said, you can supplement omega-3 with good omega-3 from fish that if you buy is a little capsule. Break it, smell it. They are not supposed to smell like super fishy. That means that they are bad for you. They are oxidated. So make sure that they are fresh, they are good quality, high quality. And I will tell you more in my next video because I am committed to making them like under 10 minutes and give you the most. I am Florencia. I am a health coach and I'm here to help you. If you have any doubts, if you feel that you are stuck, you don't know what to do, something is wrong with your health, like you go, I'm exhausted, I have no energy, there are things that you can do to tweak that is probably electrolytes imbalance. Anyhow, I love you. This is a carnivore lifestyle, anti-inflammatory lifestyle. I'm not gonna sell you anything. I just want to help you to live better with less pain, with less effort. Love you. See you next time. Bye.